Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday. Oh, sleepy Monday. Yesterday was Cinco de Mayo, and I really don't need an excuse to do Mexican food in the Casual Chef's Kitchen because I have Robin. Robin loves Mexican food. So Cinco de Mayo was just the excuse. So I did chicken and cheese enchiladas. It was a great meal. Robin loves them. She took a big portion to work for her lunch today and probably tomorrow, and she actually left me some. Tonight, I'm doing Marry Me Chicken soup. Marry Me Chicken has been kind of a fad this year in many different forms, and I've done one or two Marry Me Chicken type dishes over my year-long adventure. So I'm actually going to do this Marry Me Chicken soup. It's actually simple. Let's get to it. All right, I got some hardware going. The recipe calls for a rotisserie chicken or two. I'm actually going to not do that. I'm going to boil or braise my own chicken, hence the small saucepan. Dutch oven for the soup. We got some chicken thighs, some medium shells, some chicken stock, garlic. I'm almost out. I'll be cleaning this out today, and I bought new garlic yesterday during our shopping. Tomato paste, a little bit of olive oil, sun-dried tomatoes that are in oil, which I'll probably use some of the oil from that for the saute of the onions. We've got Parmesan cheese. We're still a little confused about the Philadelphia cream cheese that goes in this. We're thinking it's kind of a thickener in a cheese. It kind of works with the Parmesan. There's heavy cream. I'll probably be swapping out this dry basil with some fresh basil, Italian herb blend, and if optional, red chili pepper flakes, some garlic powder, and some baby spinach. Lots of yummy ingredients. It should be a good soup. So, and when I'm out getting basil, I'll pick up some fresh bread, probably a little itty bitty sourdough that Robin and I like from Bel Air. Yeah, it looks like the weather over the weekend, it was definitely soup weather. Actually, it's still kind of soup weather. It's only supposed to be around 70, 71 today here in Sutter County, California. It's beautiful sunshine right now, and we're supposed to have beautiful sunshine the rest of the week, and it's gradually get warmed up. Now I'm done playing weatherman. So I hope it's great weather where you are at in your part of the world. I hope you're going to have something yummy, maybe leftovers from yesterday's Cinco de Mayo festivities. Yeah, I know what I'm having for lunch, because Robin left me some lunch. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.